Good morning, my name is DJ. Welcome on Financial Wealth. Today I'm bringing you 4 websites to go on and start build up or start up your own business online. So just to work from home and you can make your capital, and this business you're about to create can make you about 30 to 35 to $45,000 online. Okay, so specifically I'm gonna show you how to make $22,000 and 500. Okay, 22,500 online, $22,500 online. So these 4 websites going to help you to create that kind of money. And I want you to watch to the end because I have the tips for you, the hints for you, and don't forget to look down the descriptions to continue build up. Anything that you miss, you can catch it up from the bottom of this page, which is at the description, at the bottom of the descriptions. Anything that you can see there, take it, continue watching, and then like, subscribe, share with your friends. First of all, as we have been on Google here, you're going to type rentalbusiness.com. When it's come to rentalbusiness.com, it's going to generate you tons of money without knowing. Okay, google.com and then rental business on Google right here, rental business, and this page is going to show up. What you're gonna do, you're gonna read throughout the line here, and the first one say get AA membership today, American Rental Associate. If you wanna be a rental associate, you can do that. But if you wanna have your own store and then rent people, you can do that, and you make business. You make some good money. This one says start with $0. You can start your business with $0. Okay, so here it's a 37 rental business IDs. Okay, so let's click on that. So you need some IDs how you can create a business. Let's see that you don't have any ID. You wake up in the morning and you look up, you look on the right and the left, and you don't see where to go, where to get started. So this is a way that's gonna help you to maximize and get and make best decision to create a business online or to start up a business. So over here it says start a business. When you put the mouse in it, it's a business IDs, buy and sell, franchise, legal structure, how to start. This one says run a business, operation, management, staffing, insurance, start essentials, marketing. Okay, marketing 101. Okay, this one is the best part of it. If you wanna learn about marketing, you can click on it. Let's click on this one, for example. Okay, so these are the hints that is giving you if you wanna go ahead and work about marketing. Most likely the best way to start your business. Small business statistic, small business strategy, software, online marketing right here. Let's go online marketing. So you can start looking over this page and you get an idea about what you want to do. Okay, those are some very good tips that they're giving you, and then to start up your business. About money, they have loan, grants, tax, current finance, and calculators. So let's say on grants to see what they say on grants. In case you want some money to start up your business, they have some grant that they've been given, which is great. It's very good for you here to start a business with this kind of website. So now let's go back to see if you can catch another one. Remember, anything that you want to start, you have to create your username and password, and from there you can start up a business. So as we been here, want a business, marketing, life. Okay, we already talked about all this. The rental businesses industry. So you can click on either one of these. They're talking about traffic, spotlight, thing like that. So you just focus on whatever that you wanna do, and then as I was saying, get started, and start up here. Get started, business IDs right here. Let me click close this, and some IDs gonna come up. Developing an idea. As you're reading these, this is about hotel, people, and beach ecosystem, panel solar. These are some multiple businesses that been started with different other people from all over the world. Most likely, I don't know where you at, which one that can you choose to take you to the next level. Okay, if you keep reading, if you keep watching, if you keep take a look at all these, and you can say, okay, I can pick something up I wanna do, and bring it to life, and then make sure it's work for you, and start your life and begin. So now let's use this second step with second website that I have for you to start making money online. So we're gonna get to Google again. It's called Coach Mentor. So Coach Mentoring. So you come to Google like over here .com, and then you say Coach Mentoring. So in Coach Mentoring, as you can read here, is a leadership coaching online business courses. Okay. So as it's been saying, you can always take a look over. So Wecrest online post course platform. So if you don't know anything yet, you can take online course catalog and read through them. And this one say how to start a business, free access. Normally $950. If you do not know anything yet, you can just pay this to get started. Okay, I'm clicking on it. So okay, this one is about somebody try maybe lift up stuff. You put your name, email address, phone number, and email them, and then they will get response to you as soon as possible. As soon as they receive it, and they will get you the answer. So these are some ways that you can get to it. Okay, so let's scroll down. Coaching mentoring definitions, coaching mentoring fact sheets, coaching mentor, what are difference, create coaching apps. So remember, I try to help you to, if you look or watch my previous video, so you will see that, or you see that I was saying how you can go ahead and create your apps and stuff. So here there's a try for free, connecting training education program, setting up easy step on app for clients. So try it here. First name, last name, create your account and get your app ready. So the next one, so photo and graphic. Alright, photo and graphics, that's the next business that you can choose to do and get money making for you. You can go ahead and create design. That will be the third party, the third one. Create body design and become a graphic designer guides. The next one will be I will give you a hint where you can get your stuff making. After that, you have your business already up to create some contents for them easier and faster and good quality. So you can use that platform I'm gonna bring you in the next few minutes. So bear with me. So we're gonna do that in a few minutes. As this website been created, photographic, come on Google right here. Let's see, let me go back here. Okay, create graphic designer, latest, okay, graphic artist and fast free, picture and photo, illustrations. So pick the best. Okay. That mean the best. That seems like what you wanna do. Okay, because there is different thing you can do in photograph and photographic thing design. So let's say I click on this one. Okay, so it is bringing us over here. So I will create diagram online makers. So let's click on this one, and then this brings us over here to Lucid and Lucidchart. So what we're gonna do here, we can always sign up your name and your username and password, and then log into it. After you log into it, so you can start up making what you said that you're going to make. So that's why it is, okay? That's why it is. When this comes down to this page, it's improve process, visualize techniques, create documents originally, workflow diagram, vendor diagram, entities relationship diagram. And if you come down here, you can see a lot of stuff, okay? So you can continue reading them to see what kind of thing they're doing and what you can beneficial of them and this website. So the next one called Fiverr.com. Google. Fiverr.com. I'm gonna type Fiverr.com. So Fiverr is a software that you have to continue with your business. As you've been creating your account with all these that I already show you, you already know what you're selling, you know what your business is about, and you would like to make promotion for your business. Fiverr is a good one to start with it. And over here you can see here graphic and design. So you pick anything that you need them to be promoted for you here. If you need website design, local design, market editing, resume design, most likely everything and so on that you can see here. If you go to programming, tech, everything's the same thing. Email development, landing page, blog. Let's say blogs. Let's click on blog to see what they have here. Responsive WordPress website blog, website expert. Do you make website design? Over here it says, do you make website design? Create responsive landing page. So these are different things you can take your path and then choose which one you want to do for you. Over here you get optimization, local SEO, e-commerce videos and stuff. This one is the SEO videos. I can click on it, and then you can choose one of these people to do that. Some of them change $10, $10, $10, $20, $25, but you get exactly where you can reach because everybody get their levels. So you can go ahead and pick one of them and take your business to the next level. This one charge $25. YouTube channel is SEO and video optimization, top ranking each. So let's click on that one here. So if I would let her work for me, I would pay her $10 to just making optimization video. Okay, so let's say I want to work on business. I click on business. I know that you have created a business, so you're gonna come here, business format, business registration, business plan, pet check, startup, consulting, business good, business consulting, project management, supply and create management, legal services, application and yes, so you can go ahead and do this right now, and he making 5 days delivery, 12 videos, $30. This one $10 for 6 videos, and 3 days delivery with professional. They are professionals doing that, so that's perfect. That's perfect to do this. So you're gonna continue doing this and so on. Okay, if you have animation, video animation, you would like to edit your videos, you can choose one of these people. They can do your outro, they can do your intro, your outro, and okay, intro, outro for your business, logo design, 30, $15, $5. This one take $5 to create videos. Let me see what they have in mind. To animation, your choice. As you can see here, that's why standard $10 for 2 revisions, $20 for 12 animation choice. As you could see, let's continue doing this. Okay, so this is the tips that I had for you, so we're not gonna stay too long on this. So as you already seen everything that I had, so yeah, so remember to create your account with Fiverr, and you have your own account with them, username and password, and from there you continue and do it. So that's all that I have for you today. So do not forget to subscribe and like down the video. Bye bye.